Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to solve or fix the problem of Xfinity app not working on Roku. I'm going to give you 5 fast fixes for 2025. So the first thing I'm going to do is you have to restart Roku and router. So unplug both for 30 seconds, then reconnect. The second step you can take is you can update the Xfinity app. Go to Roku Home, tap on Settings, tap on System, and you see the option for System Update. Tap on it and let it update. The third fix you can use is to check internet connection. Run a speed test. A minimum of 25 Mbps is required. Then the fourth step is to reinstall the Xfinity app. You can remove and re-download from Roku Channel Store. And the last fix is factory reset. This should be your last result. So if you've tried the other 4 steps and it didn't work, this is what you can do. Tap on Settings, tap on System, then select Advanced System Settings and select Factory Reset. It is as simple as that. With these 5 quick fixes, you should be able to solve the problem of Xfinity app not working on Roku. Hope you found this video helpful. Let us know in the comment section which of these fixes work for you and which did not. See you in the next video.